Good morning, everybody. My name is Baba Bode. I am working English teacher in Sri Maradu Siddheshwara Pathshala, and my dear students, in the previous class or in the last class, we are going to discuss about the lesson that is a day in the ashram. This is the part second. This is the part second we are going to start today. As I told you in the previous class, in the ashram, when C.F. Andrews he stays one day in the ashram, he explained or he want to describe how he was going to feel about the ashram. What are the aspects he want to know in the ashram, and also how he was enjoying the inner beauty of the ashram or Shantiniketan. And he more than that, C.F. Andrews, he want to say that how that morning session will be began, how the students will get up early in the morning, how that song was sing, that the singers they were wandering around the school or Shantiniketan in the early 5 or 5:30 morning. How the students they were wake up early in the morning like the birds. Morning, how they get up from the trees or they were making a noise. C.F. Andrews compares that students how they were waking from the school, waking from the morning, waking awake from the morning, compared to that birds. Again he said that students in the morning they went yogas and also meditation. So meditation, yogas is very important. And how that schools are very different or classes are very different from other classes. How the students they were gathered under the tree, shadow trees. The teacher, how he is going to interact with the teacher, students. The teacher, how he was going to solve that all problems of the boys or students. Like this, C.F. Andrews, when he want to stay in one day in this ashram, he want to feel like this, and he want to express all those things, how he was know anything, how he was going to know everything in this ashram. So let us today, we know that Rabindranath Tagore is a very important personality in this lesson. Look at this picture. Rabindranath Tagore, he was the founder of Shantiniketan. Again you are going to remember this personality, Rabindranath Tagore. He was called as a Gurudev. So let us, you are going to start the next paragraph. How that C.F. Andrews he want to explain all those his feelings in the ashram when he was staying in the ashram. So in the last period I have already told you that 8 or 10 students are sitting around the teacher under the shadow trees, and they want to discuss their problems with the teacher, and they interact with them. They want to solve all those problems. Some of the students they go through the little subjects so that questions arising and they want to discuss with each other. Like this, the classes begins in the morning session. Let us, you are going to know that what is done in the next paragraph. You are going to know that when the morning work is over, the boys back
and go to their meal. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the classes began again. But at this time, the work is chiefly with the hands as well as with the mind. Handwork is practiced, and the boys' own actual pastries are very soon discovered. Some prefer carpentry, others prepare mechanical work, others enjoy spinning and weaving, others became skilled draftsmen or painters, others are musicians. There is very little book work in the afternoon. School is over at about 4 o'clock, and then there is a rush to get first into the great open fields for football. Our Shantiniketan boys are famous everything for their sports and games. In the evening, at sunset, they return from the fields and sit down once more for a short time to meditate in silence. As night comes, fairy tales are told, short dramas are recited, our Gurudev's songs are sung, and different school gatherings are held. By 9 o'clock, all are glad to retire to rest, and again the charioteers go round the ashram singing their last evening hymn. There can be no questions as to the happiness of the life of our boys. Their faces tell the story of their joy and their freedom. There is no fairer life in India than the life of our children at Shantiniketan. Let us, I read again this lesson. Till about 10:30, the work of the school goes on. So till 10:30, the work of the school goes on. You know that school begins 10:30. The work of the school goes on. We have no classrooms. In the Shantiniketan ashram, there is no classrooms. There is the boys sit with their teacher in the open air. All the students, the boys, sitting on the open air, in the open air, under the trees. All the students were sitting under the trees in the open air field, and there are no larger classes. There are no larger classes there. A group of 8 or 10 boys was seated around the teacher. See, there are 8 or 10 students making one group. That group students, they were sitting around the teachers in the open air or in the open field. A group of 8 or 10 boys are seated around the teacher, asking him questions. When that all 8 or 10 students, they were sitting around the teacher in the open air, they want to ask some questions regarding the subjects. They want to solve their problems or questions. They want to interact with each other. They want to talk with each other regarding the subject or regarding the problems. A day in the ashram, C.F. Andrews really was going to enjoy one day when he was staying in the Shantiniketan. A group of 8 or 10 boys seated around the teacher, asking him questions. Very few books are used. There is no larger books there. They use very few books, number of books only. In that number of books, they want to discuss with the teacher regarding the subject or regarding the difficult questions. They want to solve that all problems. Very few books are used. A greater part is carried on through the conversation. Only there was a conversation between the students and the teachers. There is an interact between the students and teachers. The boys soon learn to open out all their difficulties to their teacher. The students or the boys, they want to discuss their difficulties in the subject. They want to discuss through the teacher, or they want to solve their problems. And the teachers get really interested in the boys' question. The teachers are also very interested to ready to that solve the problems which was asked by the students or boys. And answers, such basic education can never be done. Such type of education is never done any time. Here in this paragraph, C.F. Andrews, he wants to express about the education system, or how that education system is going in the ashram. How the teachers, how the boys are going to discuss with each other where they want to sit and how they want to sit, and they have to solve their problems. This type of education is very important. You know that the Gurukula system, like this is also called as a Gurukula system. There is no classes. The students are sitting under the trees in the open air. So such type of education is there is no doubt to fail, or this subject, such living education, this is called a living education, can never be dull. There is no doubt this type of education is failed. So here in this paragraph, C.F. Andrews, he want to explain about the system of education in the Shantiniketan ashram. Let us move the next paragraph. When the morning work is over, the boys bath and go to their meal. So after their morning work, completion of their morning work, when the morning work is over, the students or the boys go to bath and go to their meal. After their bath, the students go to meal. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the classes began again. After the 2 o'clock, the classes began again. About 2 o'clock, after the 2 o'clock, again the afternoon classes began. But at this time, the work is chiefly with the hands as well as with the mind. Afternoon class work begins, it is only for the mind and hand work. There is no classes begin. There is a hands as well as with the mind. There is a work between hand and mind. It means afternoon classes are go to with their chiefly with their hands as well as the minds. Handwork is practice only in the afternoon session or in the class. They want to practice handwork. And the boys' own natural tastes are very soon discovered. Whatever the natural taste is in the students, they will discover. Some prefer carpentry. Some of the students, they prepare carpentry. You know that carpentry in the village, the people those who are doing that the work, that carpentry. Their others performs mechanical work. Some other students they performs mechanical works. Others enjoy spinning and weaving. Other students they go to weaving and spinning. You know that in the village also some of the people they want to do that weaving and spinning. In the village you know that all the people, some of the people they were doing this type of work in their own house, preparing mats. You know that weaving the weaving the cloths and spinning. This type of work has been practiced in the afternoon session, so that weaving others became skilled draftsmen or painters, others are musicians. You know that so many skills in the students hiding. In the afternoon session, in this Shantiniketan school, the teacher, they want to know about the skills of the skills which was hidden in the students. They want to make a practice in that skills, so that they want to know what are the skills the students know, how they are going to prepare the things. Some students they were spinning and weaving. Some students were mechanizing, so and also the draughtsmen are painters. Draughtsmen means here there is a meaning of draftsman, one who makes plans. Also very important. When you are going to begin the work, going to go to begin the daily work, the plan is very important. So like that, planners. The students also make a plans or planners. Some students were painting the page, that painters. Like this, they were having such skills in their life. They want to make some searching about the skills of the students in the afternoon session. Painters, others are musicians. Really, in the school level, the students have such a talent or skills. They want to go to sing, or they are very important musicians also. So you have to find that all skills which are hidden in the students. Really in the afternoon session, that the teachers they want to know about the students' skill. What type of skills they were having. Some students were planners, painters, mechanisms, and carpenters, spinnings, weavings, and also planners. So like this, all students they were having their own skills in their life. They want to make a practice that type of skills in the ashram or in the Shantiniketan. So like this type of education system in the Shantiniketan, this is the only for afternoon classes. When the afternoon class begins, like such type of activities has been going in the school or in the ashram. There is very little book work in the afternoon. There is only little books work in the afternoon. School is over at about 4 o'clock. The school is over at 4 o'clock. Evening 4 o'clock school is over. And then there is a rush to get first into the great open fields for football. After 4 o'clock, that students they were going to play the game, that is the football game. They were going to play the football very eagerly that is football. Our Shantiniketan boys are famous every way for their sports and games. Our Shantiniketan boys, students were very famous for anyway for going to their performing the sports and games. See that physical education is also very important. Not only theoretically but practical, that physical education is also very important. Here the students are very interested in the sports and games. One proverb is there, where there is a sound body, there is a sound mind. Sound mind in sound body. Like that, in the Shantiniketan ashram, the students are very interested to play the football. So physically and also mentally, that is ashram is giving a preference for the students. They want to play the football game. The students are very famous for the sake of games and sports in this ashram. This is the brief points about the students after over the 4 o'clock classes. In the evening, at sunset, they return from the fields and sit down once more for a short time to meditate in silence. See, after the students, in the evening session, after that evening, in the evening at sunset, when sunset means when the sun was set, it means evening. They return from the fields and sit down once more. They, after their completion of the sports and games, they return and they want to sit there. A short time, not long time, only short time, they want to sit here to meditate in silence. They want to meditate silently. So after finishing their sports and games, they return to the meditation class. For a short time, they want to meditate in the evening time. See, this is the meditation, sports, games. These are all very good habits. Students, in our life also, you are also going to cultivate this type of activities. Means morning and evening also you are going to play, and also you are going to make yoga, and also you are going to make some exercises. And finally, we are also practice that meditation. The meditation makes man perfect, and also it creates a concentration regarding the soul, and also it gives an encourage to learn everything which was very difficult. You should be maintain what you are called that is meditation. It makes a concentration in our work. It is also to give a good help for us. In the student level also, we are going to cultivate this type of activities in our lives. Silently in the evening at sunset, they return from the fields and sit down once more for the short time to meditate in silence. As night comes, fairy tales are told, short dramas are recited, our Gurudev's songs are sung, the different school gatherings are held. So after the meditation, they came to the night session. In the night, at night comes, fairy tales are told. See, the students they want to told fairy stories, very interesting stories, very beautiful stories. A short dramas are recited. Short dramas also going to play there in the evening or night session. Really, it is a very good timetable that the students how they were going to participate with each others to develop their skills. So, small fairy stories are told, short dramas are recited, our Gurudev songs are sung. Night, our Gurudev songs are sung. Who was called as Gurudev? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore called as a Gurudev. So, Gurudev's or Rabindranath Tagore's songs also sung in the night session also. You know that which is the famous book written by Rabindranath Tagore? You know that? As I told you in the last class or previous class? Yes? Geetanjali is a great book written by Rabindranath Tagore, or that is the Gurudev. What says that Geetanjali? What is the important thing hidden in this Geetanjali book? Know that? Geetanjali, in the Geetanjali, you go through this, the Geetanjali is the book of devotional songs, collection of devotional songs also. Very important book. So, the students also sang the song of Gurudev or Rabindranath Tagore songs in the night also. And different school gatherings are held. Different school gatherings are held. School gatherings. It means all the students they were going to gather with each other, gathering in one place, and they want to play dramas. They want to sing Gurudev songs, and also they want to told a fairy stories also. Like this in the night, the activities are going in the ashram or that in the Shantiniketan. So in the next paragraph that you are going to know that by 9 o'clock, all are glad to retire to rest. So near that all in the 9 o'clock all are retired to rest. So after these completion of these programs, the students in the ashram they were glad that they were in the 9 o'clock all are glad to retire to rest, take rest. And again the charioteers go around the ashram singing their last evening hymns. As I told you in the morning session that singers, charioteers they were going to sing hymns and they go through around the ashram like this in the night, and after 9 o'clock the hymns or charioteers are go around the ashram singing the songs or hymns. There can be no question as to the happiness of the life of our boys. The boys are very enjoying their life, or the boys are very happy to know that all those activities in the ashram. It is a good, happiest life in the ashram. The students led the happiest life in the ashram or in the school. Their faces tell the story of their joy and their freedom. So the students in the ashram, students' faces show their joy and freedom. Joy and freedom in this ashram. It means they are going to enjoy like anything. There is no fairer life in India than the life of our children at Shantiniketan. Finally, CFIT says like this: there is no life like this Shantiniketan's life in any schools of this India. Really, it is a very important thing we are going to know about the Shantiniketan or in the day in the ashram, how the students are very enjoying their life with happy and happy with that freedom, happy and freedom. This is the final paragraph that you are going to know that. So totally or finally in the lesson, in this lesson, day in the ashram, C.F. Andrews, they want to explain how you want to stay in the ashram on the day, what are the feelings you want to express, how that the voice began in the morning session, what are the activities is going in the morning session. Early in the morning, how that singer sang the song, or before that 5:30 p.m., 5:30 in the morning. After that, the boys' activities, how they are going to yogasana and make a meditation. After that session, afternoon session, how it begins, what are the activities going there, and after that morning, afternoon session, what is the evening session activities will be going in the ashram. Really, C.F. Andrews, we want to say finally that there is a very happy or enjoyness in the faces of students, and freedom also they are learning anything like no, there is no classes, there is no schools in the India, how that students are going to learn each and everything. The living education system in the ashram. The system of education is very important. How the children or how the students having their own skills. We have to find, we have to encourage all those skills to develop in their life. How this life is a very important student's life in this ashram. Dear students, here there are so many new words are coming here. So recite. Recite means the song. Recite means song. Draftman means one who makes plans. You know that planners, draftmen. So one who makes plans, he was called as a draftman. Meditate. Meditate means to pray silently. To pray silently. Reverence. Reverence means respect. Respect. Like this, you know that the difficult words or new words, how these words are using in this lesson. So let us go through this homework. Okay. Homework that questions are here. What are the Shantiniketan boys famous for? What are the Shantiniketan boys famous for? You know that as I told you, the Shantiniketan boys are very famous for their sports and games. Even though the football game is very interested in this school of Shantiniketan. Let us know what is the second question is here. How do the boys spend their evenings before they go to bed? How do the boys spend their evening before they go to bed? As I told you, in the evening session, when they were going, before the boys go to bed, they were going to sing a song, sing Gurudev's songs, and also they were to tell a fairy story, and other activities has to be going here. Third one is, how are the classes of Shantiniketan different from the classes in other schools? Really, it is very fantastic classes. The teachers and students, they were going to interact with each other. They want to discuss with the problems and solve their problems with the teachers sitting in the gathering around the teacher. For the fourth one is, how does Shantiniketan prepare the boys' life for life? It's very important thing. the Shantiniketan ashram prepare the boys for their life to improve their skills, to maintain their life in the future. The students having their own skills, the ashram go to develop their skills and they want to make a joy and freedom. So here, like this, in the day ashram, CF Andrews, they want to feel like anything. They want to say there is no other school in India like Shantiniketan. So let us, we are going to stop here today. How that children are going to enjoy the Shantiniketan. Let us, we are going to stop the class. Next class we are going to start now. Thank you very much.